Struggling with high blood sugar first thing in the morning? You're not alone. Here's the thing, breakfast can make or break your blood sugar for the whole day. It can either send your glucose levels soaring or help keep them steady, which is exactly what we want if you're managing type 2 diabetes or prediabetes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 real, science-backed breakfasts that don't just stabilize blood sugar, they fight insulin resistance, reduce inflammation, and yes, taste amazing too. These meals are straightforward, easy to prep, and designed to fuel your day without the dreaded sugar crash. Let's start with something super simple but powerful, chia seed pudding. These tiny seeds pack a serious punch. Just 2 tablespoons deliver about 10 grams of fiber, mostly soluble fiber, which is like a secret weapon for blood sugar control. Why? Soluble fiber turns into a gel in your digestive system, slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. That means your blood sugar rises more slowly after eating, exactly what you want to avoid those nasty spikes. But there's more to chia seeds than just fiber. They're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower inflammation, one of the key players behind insulin resistance. Inflammation blocks insulin from working well, so dialing it down is crucial. Plus, omega-3s support heart health, and since people with diabetes are at higher risk for cardiovascular issues, this is a double win. To make this pudding, mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with about half a cup of unsweetened almond or coconut milk. Then toss in a handful of fresh or frozen berries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries work best because they're low in sugar but high in antioxidants called anthocyanins. These antioxidants have been shown to improve how your body uses insulin and processes sugar. Finally, sprinkle in some cinnamon. Cinnamon doesn't just taste great, it's also been shown to lower fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity in several clinical studies. Pop it in the fridge overnight or let it soak for at least 30 minutes, and you'll have a creamy, satisfying breakfast that keeps you full and steady for hours. Next up is a savory option, a high-protein vegetable omelet with avocado. Eggs often get a bad rap, but they're actually fantastic for blood sugar management. They're packed with high-quality protein, which helps keep your muscles strong and your blood sugar stable by slowing digestion and lowering glucose spikes. Eggs also provide nutrients like choline and vitamin D, which play important roles in metabolism and insulin sensitivity. So don't be afraid to enjoy them regularly. Add in some colorful veggies like spinach, bell peppers, and onions for a fiber and antioxidant boost that fights inflammation, a major driver of insulin resistance. Now, avocado is a superstar here. It's full of monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to lower LDL cholesterol and better insulin sensitivity. A study in Nutrition Journal even found that people who regularly eat avocado have better blood sugar control after meals compared to those who don't. Customize your omelet however you like, 2 or 3 eggs, sauté veggies in olive or avocado oil, toss in creamy avocado slices, and add spices like turmeric or cumin for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. This breakfast is hearty, satisfying, and keeps your blood sugar steady for hours. Moving on, overnight oats with flax, walnuts, and cinnamon. Oats sometimes get unfairly blamed for blood sugar spikes because of their carbs, but when prepared right, they can actually be a fantastic breakfast choice. The trick is to focus on glycemic load, how quickly carbs raise your blood sugar, rather than just carb count. Pairing oats with fiber, protein, and healthy fats slows down absorption and smooths blood sugar responses. Choose steel-cut or rolled oats instead of instant, which are often highly processed and spike blood sugar quickly. Soak your oats overnight in unsweetened almond milk or kefir. The latter adds probiotics that support gut health and your immune system. Mix in ground flax seeds for a boost of omega-3 fats and soluble fiber, plus walnuts for extra healthy fats and protein. Sprinkle in cinnamon again for its blood sugar lowering effects. Research backs this up. A 2015 meta-analysis found whole oats improve fasting glucose and A1C levels, especially when combined with fiber and protein. Plus, flax seeds have been shown to reduce markers of insulin resistance and improve cholesterol. This breakfast is comforting, lightly sweet, and filling without causing blood sugar spikes. And it's perfect for meal prep. You can make several jars ahead of time and grab one on busy mornings. If you're short on time, smoothies can be a lifesaver, but only if you make the right ones. Many commercial smoothies are loaded with fruit juice or high-sugar fruits, which can send blood sugar skyrocketing. The goal here is to balance fiber, protein, and healthy fats while keeping sugar low. Start with an unsweetened base like almond milk or coconut water. Add a handful of spinach or kale, both loaded with magnesium, which is linked to improved blood sugar control. One study in diabetes care found that higher magnesium intake significantly reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. Choose low glycemic fruits like half a frozen green banana or a small handful of berries. Add a tablespoon of chia or ground flax for extra fiber and omega-3s. Boost protein with a scoop of unsweetened plant-based or whey protein powder. For creaminess and healthy fats, add half an avocado or a spoonful of nut butter. This smoothie delivers slow-digesting carbs, muscle-supporting protein, and antioxidant-rich greens, all in one quick, tasty meal. Pro tip: prep your smoothie ingredients in freezer bags ahead of time, so you just dump and blend in the morning. Finally, for plant-based eaters, try a tofu or tempeh scramble with greens. Both come from soybeans, but tempeh is fermented, making it easier to digest and better for gut health. Soy protein has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower LDL cholesterol, key for managing diabetes. One study in the Journal of Nutrition found regular soy consumption improved blood sugar and cholesterol markers in people with type 2 diabetes. To make the scramble, crumble firm tofu or sliced tempeh and sauté it in olive oil with turmeric, black pepper, and garlic. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory, and when paired with black pepper, your body absorbs it much better, up to 2,000% more. Add nutrient-dense leafy greens like kale, collard greens, or Swiss chard. These are rich in chlorophyll, magnesium, and antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, a major problem in diabetes. This savory, warm breakfast nourishes your cells, reduces inflammation, and helps keep blood sugar steady throughout the morning. That's it. 5 solid breakfasts that don't just keep blood sugar steady, they actively support insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. All easy to make and delicious. Give them a try and see how your mornings change. If you want more deep dive, science-backed tips on managing diabetes naturally, hit subscribe and ring the bell. I've got you covered.